Hi everyone, this is Parul. Today I want to share with you basics of crow pose of Bakasana. This is actually a foundation of lots of arm balance poses. So once you feel comfortable in crow pose, you can explore more arm balance postures like side crow, side pigeon, flying lizard, etc. Of course, you need shoulder, arm and core strength for practicing crow pose, and you should not be feeling any pain in your wrist. So you should be comfortably doing plank, downward dog, side plank without any wrist pain. So let me share with you what crow pose looks like, and then I can share with you some tips and tricks. So for crow pose, and slowly land. Okay, now let me share with you some basic alignment for crow pose. So you can start in low squat position. Your knees are outside your shoulders. Open your fingers wide. This is very important that you divide the weight equally on all the fingers and not take all the weight on your wrist. Okay, this will make the pose really uncomfortable and you might end up hurting your wrist. And remember, you have to take your elbows back rather than down. It's not focusing on biceps but triceps. So you have to take your elbows in, okay, and your middle finger and your index finger should be facing the top of the mat. But for some people, external rotation works better. So play around with it and see what works best for you. From here, lift your hips up and your triceps really should be hooked to your shin. And another thing to note here is that you have to look forward. Don't look down and back, okay? Now, gently pressing into your palms, look forward. Of course, there is a fear of fall, so don't worry about it. I think most of us will fall a few times and then we will be comfortable. So get off that fear and then you slowly start to get your weight on your palms. Look forward. Now when you have comfortably shift your weight forward on your palms, lift one leg up and then the other, then another one and the other one. Okay, now just prepare yourself. Come forward, lift both the feet up, look forward, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly land down, relax and take a moment to just release your wrist and your forearms. Take your left fingers in with your right hand. Breathe. And for the other hand. And release. So give this pose a try, but please be patient. It takes time. All of us will go through the phase when initially we will fall. So what you can do is to just keep the pillows around you. So even if you fall, you don't have a really bad fall. Once you get over the fear of fall, it should come easy. But be patient and gradually you'll be able to practice this pose. Thank you so much. Namaste.